Ride along with MrBalerdash as we take you on an unforgettable adventure through Hell's Canyon, the deepest river gorge in North America. Buckle up for an exciting jet boat ride on the mighty Snake River, where towering canyon walls, breathtaking scenery, incredible wildlife, and plenty of high-speed thrills await around every bend. Let's get this adventure started.
Before we really open it up, I'd like you to meet our outstanding crew. Our captain, Eric, brings years of experience and expert boat handling skills to every trip. Assisting him is his first mate and daughter, Maddie, who helps make sure everyone has a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable adventure. Together, they're a fantastic team, and you're in great hands as we begin our journey through spectacular Hell's Canyon.
A little later, do about 100 miles round trip.
Keep your eyes open because wildlife is everywhere. It's common to spot bighorn sheep climbing the rocky cliffs, bald eagles soaring overhead, deer along the shoreline, and many other animals that call this rugged canyon home.
Underneath the trees here to our right are Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep. There's 4 different species of bighorn sheep in North America. What we're looking at here is Rocky Mountain bighorn. This is a group of female ewes.
Not every moment is about speed. The quieter sections of the river let you soak in the peaceful beauty of Hell's Canyon. The calm water, towering cliffs, and fresh air create memories you'll never forget. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey through magnificent Hell's Canyon. You're in for an unforgettable adventure. Hell's Canyon has a fascinating history. Native American tribes lived here for thousands of years before explorers, ranchers, and settlers arrived. Today, the canyon remains one of the most remote and well-preserved wilderness areas in the United States. Take a look at these spectacular canyon walls. Some rise nearly 8,000 feet above the Snake River, making Hell's Canyon even deeper than the Grand Canyon. Around every bend is another breathtaking view that reminds you just how wild and untouched this landscape really is. What an incredible adventure. From thrilling jet boat action to amazing wildlife and breathtaking scenery, Hell's Canyon delivers an experience unlike any other. Thanks for joining us, and if you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and join MrBalerdash on YouTube for more exciting travel adventures.